tools required to attend field complaint for the pressure booster series pumps. The one is star screw drive, minus screw drive, pressure measure meter, as well as the pump. We have a 2 series pump with the same kind of switch. One is CG 4 set as well as CG horizontal multi-stage pump. Whenever you are going into the field, you need to check model number. Based on the model number, you need to maintain pre-charge pressure in the tank, pre-charge pressure and what pressures need to be maintained. All those things is mentioned in the manual as well as the catalog. You can refer based on the value. You need to maintain the value in tank as well as the DENFO switch. Now the must, whenever you are visiting the field, the first checkpoint is whether they have fitted voice trainer and NRV. Here NRV is must. Even though they have fitted NRV, please open and check whether they are fitted in a right direction. Sometimes they are installing inversely. If they are installing inversely, the pressure not going to develop and it will not going to stop the pump. It will run continuously. So whenever you are checking NRV, you need to check direction of the fitting also. This pump same as mini pump construction. So in suction line, any leakages occurs in the suction line, it will not give any discharge. See, now we'll see what is the pressure which is maintained in the tank. Anything less we need to maintain. Now the pressure is 1.32 bar, which is acceptable. Now I am checking 24 liter tank. Here the pressure is 1.41. This is also accepted. Let's see one more case. If you found pressure is near to 1 bar or less than 1 bar, in this case you need to refill the air to maintain pre-charge pressure as given in the manual. Check pressure after filling of air. If it is found satisfactory, then you can install in a pump. Let's see now how we can maintain pressure range in the pressure switch. Let's take 1 HP example. The pressure what we indicated, it is 2.4 to 3.8 bar. From this you can able to see we need to set maximum pressure range is 3.8 bar. Let's find out different pressures between these two. Now 3.8 minus 2.4 equal to 1.4 bar. Now you need to set the maximum pressure range 3.8 bar in the range as indicated. Calculated differential pressure you need to maintain here 1.4 bar. Let's see now how we can modify or how we can maintain this pressure. Using our tools, you need to open this plate and using star you can modify range, right? Using this star screw star you can modify the range how we want. Like we need to set pressure range 3.8 bar maximum. What we are taking example 1 HP, right? So we need to maintain here 3.8 bar, whatever it is the maximum pressure we need to maintain in the range, right? In case if you want to change the differential pressure, then you need to use star screw drive. By adjusting this you can able to modify the differential pressure. You can maintain what you want. Okay, so now we are setting 3.8 bar for 1 HP. In the same way we are setting after pressure setting, you just close it. Please ensure whether they are installed voice trainer or not. If they are not installed, please ask them to install. It is very necessary for this kind of pressure booster pump because there are many impurities can enter into the pump. The same impurities can be transferred to the switch or a pressure tank. It will leads to damage both pressure switch as well as the pressure tank. That is the main reason for providing this voice strainer in this pressure pump. In the voice strainer should be cleaned periodically, at least 1 month once. This also you need to guide customer. Warranty is not applicable for following cases. The first, not usage of voice trainer, not usage of float switch or improper float switch installation, incorrect applications, pump used for other liquids other than clear and cold water.